All right, yeah, we got it right here. I'm gonna see if I can get this mounted up here. That way we can do some of these videos.
Wait, hold
What'd you do?
I have to save it to my drafts.
What do you know about this car, Haley?
Twin turbo.
You know what?
Twin turbo.
Come here, come here.
I can't, it's so funny.
We're gonna just take my sister right here. We're gonna be kind of getting her reaction in the car. She's never really rode in it a whole lot.
Never.
Caitlin, you know,
see me, I'm different. I'm definitely different.
Yeah. Haley's gonna be a good reaction here, don't you think?
Yeah.
You think so?
Very great reaction.
All right, so I need to get the windshield mount up there. You wanna record me doing that? All right, let's see here. So I need to get this, let's see, it's gonna be this way, I think. So we got that there. Or does it need to go? No, I don't know. We're just gonna put it this way. Let's see, about right there, I guess. Where did we have it last time? It was like right there, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. All right, go ahead and push this in and go ahead and lock it. All right, we're good. All right, you guys, what do you think? Should I try to teach one of them to drive this car one day? Yeah. Have you ever drove a Standard? Never? Never. Have you ever drove a Standard, babe?
A little bit.
Yeah, she actually drove my Miata some. And back when I had my Miata, you can probably go look on my channel. I did some drifting with it a little bit. It was a pretty fun car. I wanted to put like a turbo on it and everything, but I wound up getting rid of it. What's the fastest car you've ever been in?
I want to say, I don't know. I don't think I've ever really been in a fast car.
Like what?
This type of car would be the fastest that I've been in though.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah. Little pull, nothing crazy yet. So that was about, I don't know, I didn't really give it much gas. So how was that? So
that was good.
So how does that, what do you think's gonna happen when I, you know, really give it some gas?
Oh, that wasn't really giving it gas?
No, no.
Oh, woo,
No.
jeez. So like a little warm up?
Yeah, it's just getting you ready. Nah, that one don't count.
I don't really like the off-roading very much.
You know what?
I don't think I like the off-roading very much.
All right, here we go. Okay, so we're getting ready. The car is completely warmed up. We're to our road where we're going to be doing everything. So let's see here. Make sure nothing's coming. What do you mean? What's wrong with this road?
This road.
It's a good road.
Ditches.
Huh? We're not going to go fast. We're just going to...
No.
All right. That was just first.
Okay.
So now we're in second. Just kind of ease along for a little bit. Ready?
I'm very ready.
Think so?
Yeah. Golly, that's so fast. Oh, how fast did we just go? Very fast.
What? What is that right there?
God dang it.
What do you think?
It feels so fast back here. Like,
Does it really?
even faster than it does in the front seat.
Yeah.
It jumps so quick.
It really does. How's that?
Yeah, that was fast. Very fast. No. We're not fast right here. Cody. No.
Off-roading in a twin turbo 3000 GT VR4. Here we go.
Don't, you're saying that like you're gonna really do something.
Oh. Can we drift? Drifting in an all-wheel drive car? Oh, we drifted that!
Oh, jeez.
I didn't expect I didn't expect to drift that.
Yeah, me neither. Me neither. You're acting like this is Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Oh god, no, not Fast and Furious! No! No! I think I stepped on my spit a little
big
bit
hole.
back there.
You good?
You're letting you pass.
I think he is.
Oh. Can I shout out my TikTok or no? I can take that as no. Hear me, honey? Oh, this is so scary. Okay, no more dissing. No. I don't want to look.
Man, the tires are really dirty now. Look how muddy that is. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.